Welcome back. This is last video for this exercise. Means A, B, and C. This I did SGF and SRT in for my last two videos. This and second this and last I do I show you the RR. The conda is not given here. Take it 2. They are given conda take 2. The procedure they are similar what it did in the last or so. The difference here is we are subjected to the given quanta only. Now this the same thing what we did in a normal case, which means without any IO for this case. We have to consider all total unit of time required here to do and take 2 units of execution as is get chance to execute the CPU time. So we have timeline. We have to prepare a highly timeline which is directional toward from that I take this from this to that direction, this from the right to left directions. So at initial time times t0, take this the above row is time, the lower or the middle one is process, and the bottom one is the required time. So initially, and the system A is there only. So A take first chance. A need total of 7 units of time, but the allowed unit is only 3. So A gets 2 units of CPU time here. CPU time. First, S requires 3 units, but cannot take complete 3 units. So after 2 units, A rejected from the system because it's timeout, transited from the system to the ready queue. Okay, one of the transition that we know about. So after 2 unit execution, A transited from the executions or from the CPU time to the ready queue at time 2 at the similar way or at the same time. Other new process B is arriving to the system to procedure. Which one get first chance? B get first chance because A is immediately rejected now from the system. Not rejected, paused now. It's because of timeouts. So B and A are similarly there in queue, but A take a first chance. No, B get first chance. Total of B's request time is 6, but only 2 alerts. So 2 units of this have been executed. So at unit of 4, at unit 4, B paused, but before time unit 4, other process arrived to the system is waiting in queue, which is C at time 3. From A and C, which one is the first to get chance at this time? A is because A already arrived and quit at time unit 2 to get chance already in the queue. So the other process go back at the end. You know this strategy of round robin algorithm. So A gets get first before C gets So after B, the next chance is given to A for second time. So now what the remaining time for A to go to the first IO request is only 1 unit because 3 units to be required, but 2 units to add did here, and remaining 1 unit from 4 to 5 to place allowed is 2 units, but A needs only 1 unit at this point of time, and so after this 5, they go to the IO request that is free and this time. To this time free, what the first IO request of A, which is 2 units. So from 5 to 7, A is there in a IO request. A is there in IO request. After this A, what I'm coloring here is which get access. Color means what get access. So after this A, I'm currently here. Let I make other color here also. Get access. A got access. Now next to A is C chance. Before talk C, new what the process and who is at time unit 4 at time unit 4 B is queued after C, and again no arrival is there at time 5, so D is also there at time 5. We is the waiting and queue, so we get next chance because of entering to this queue before D. So C take after A. Okay, C take after A means from 5 to 2 units. Completing 2 units means unless only requiring amount. This 2 units of time is required for C. So from 5 to 7, C is in CPU requesting. Is 2 units enough for C? No, C needs 3 units to get IO request request. So after 7, A also leads B released the CPU time or paused by dispatcher. A by self completes IO request, yes, IO request and come to the system. We can get first chance. We can get first chance since by comparing to arrival time, by this arrival time, at the same time 7 and 7 C and D, C and A trying to get chance in a queue. During arrival, A is first or prior than C, so A first come put here, C next. That is to be strategy in case of SRTN as well as round robin. If they are arrived at the same time, they consider FCN, FCFS strategy. So the next algorithm is also treated. This was treated. What after C is B. At timeline 4 are read to the system or queued here, but after C, B take chance of CPU. Take chance of CPU. Here it is. What's the remaining time for B? 4 units first half requires 2 units completed here. No, remaining 2 units completed. So timeline A, B leaves there. CPU has chance. Time is paused as well as it also needs IO requests. So B come to IO burst based to here, which is 1 unit. So you look here, 1 burst IO request for B. So a time name take next chance is which is D, which is D. Before to come to talk about D, B, yeah, B intern this. Okay, no. So let's give chance for D. Now D take next to B. Executing for first time or first half as chance. This request in first half is 2 units. So from the 9 to 11, from 9 to 11, so is executing there. The graph might be larger, whatever. You consider this. You only look at the numbers. So from 9 to 10, 10 to 11, D is in CPU accessing, and after this you need 3 units of IO request. So after 11, B come to the CPU or no IO burst phase, and at 11 next query process is process A. But where is B now? B leave the system or left the system at 10 and quit at 19. Quit to the here. Time 19, B take waiting chance here. Okay, now after D get chance at 11, A get chance for next step. What the next step amount for A is as chance 4 units. So first of second half is take here 11 to 13, and then A enter into IO burst. No, it's mine 2 units, but A by itself do not need any IO burst second. So A again here for time at time 13, A take next waiting chance here. After any next CPU usage take by or occur by or busy by other process C starting from time 13 to this timeline. I'm heading because of to happen create understanding. The next C unit first among the 3 units of first half. 2 units is completed here, and the remaining 1 unit is here. So from 13 to 40, you see completes first half of IO burst. Even if the given is 2 units, it only work with 1 unit here and now um, it's has chance or has time now to access first IO. So at timeline 14, C take first IO requests, accessing first IO requests, which is 2 units as we know. So from 14 to 16, C enter here. We don't take next after CC, which is as a waiting there B. B take first chance, no first second half first chances. Second half first chance. But the second half total unit is 2 units as a chance. B completes here, but even if it is complete as CPU time, it has remaining IO request time for IO bursting. So we enter into IO after 16. After 16 the units we enter into IO requests, and then the end for B. So B leaves the system after 19, means 16 plus 3 is 19. So now the first process to leave the system is B, which has registered 19, allocated 19 is a completion time for B. So what's the next process? Okay, after C completes accession here, press half and then after 16, at time 16, C is waiting there. It is waiting there. Before C, D also here leave the IO guessing at 14, and now a chance for waiting here also. So that's total our waiting times are there. Looks like this. At 14, D is a because of leaving the first IO case. 16 C is because of completing first IO request. That's D, and C is now waiting for next step of execution. The same to all here, and B a good chance. B good chance. As 16 leave, then leave or delete. Yes, leave side delete. Okay, and so already completed. B completed execution, and we the system. The next chance is given for A after end of the end of B. A take chance from 16 to 18 because of total of second half of for A is 4 units, but the second half 2 units is completed, and the space and the other remaining 2 units is completed here, so that A leaves the system because he has no other IO request or other secure request, so that his completion time is registered as 18. The next process or second process to leave the system. Now what in this case the first process to leave the system, okay? The second process to leave the system. Okay, after E, which one the process there is? Yeah, A means is complete X. Next one is D. After E, D take chance for second half, which is only 1 unit. So from 18 to 19, we complete this at 19 as a chance. CPU time also released. So the enter into CPU. Remaining last process, which is C active CPU time at timeline 6, then no, timeline 16 is scheduled. That's good. At timeline 19, last required time is 4 units, means second half. So from 1923, C completes execution and leave the system. Similarly, the enter into the CPU IO accessing. IO accessing is 4 units, generally take place in the same time as the system. So that given is only 2, but you can take your own counter. You can take here 3, you can take here 1, or you can take here 4, whatever amount of time unit, and you can process yourself the same way. What you have to take focus in this timeline is very necessary, very essential. You have to be in accurate way. So this timeline very essential, as I did using the interval manner. And anyway, you have to do your own timeline strategy what to do. Plus, an arrow indicates that the going usage or the chances given from next round, the next round, the next round. This is the first chance and the last chance is given to indicate this. The arrow is used here. And so that you completed the CPU time registered 23 total, no any CPU gap, so that calculations go here. The first calculation is uh, total total turnaround time now, total turnaround time. Yeah, total is or total duration of course in the system. As you see, the recur times CPU switching completion time for A is 18, for B is 19, for C is 23, and for B2 so 18 minus 0 because of the reverse time for process A, B, C, D is 0 to 5. So subtracting 0 to 3 from each 80, from each completion time not 80, but it will be 18, 17, 18. If any mistaken number, you can correct it. And similarly, waiting time also from 80 minus total burst time. Get this one. So I return account to our Gantt chart. So this utilization is 100% as we see in 13. Nice. Plus your own questions or changing these numbers or changing any other strategies. Have a full chance. It's very easy. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this numbering. The CPU or the system is working now. We simply to understand only this is understand. Bye.